Imagine a sound so powerful, it echoes through the ocean, yet no one knows its source. In 1997, researchers detected a mysterious underwater noise dubbed the bloop. It was unlike anything ever recorded, sending shockwaves through the scientific community. The bloop originated from a remote part of the South Pacific Ocean, over 3,000 kilometers away from any land. It was so loud that it could be heard by sensors designed to detect the sounds of icebergs breaking apart. But this wasn't an iceberg. The frequency was too low and the sound too bizarre. Scientists speculated wildly. Some suggested it was a massive, undiscovered sea creature, perhaps a leviathan of mythic proportions. Others believed it was the result of ice shifting and cracking in the depths. But theories didn't stop there. Could it be volcanic activity, or even something extraterrestrial? Despite years of analysis and countless theories, the true origin of the bloop remains a mystery. No conclusive evidence has ever been found to explain it. The ocean is vast and its secrets are deep. The bloop serves as a reminder of how much we still have to learn about our planet's uncharted territories. What do you think it was? A creature? Ice? Or something else entirely?